Welcome to a revolution in music production. Check this out. Now you can create your own music and full-length songs all using AI. Yeah, these were entirely generated by AI. You might have already seen what Suno AI can do. You just type in what you want and get a full song based on your idea.
All hope is gone. I stand tall and I carry on.
Sounds great, but sometimes it generates some unnecessary stuff you don't actually need. In this video, I'll show you how you can edit your songs, make harmonies, create backing tracks and karaoke tracks, all using AI. After a lot of research, I found this INSANE AI tool that can literally rip open a song and allow you to edit every single note. Introducing RipX DAW, the first of its kind AI DAW that uses artificial intelligence to separate any song into different stems like vocals, guitar, piano, and so much more. Let's get started by downloading RipX from their website. The website link is in the description. After you download, you can install it by following the instructions on your screen. To get started, let's import a song. You can click on this folder icon to open a song or music that you already have on your PC. But if you want to create fresh new music, you can click on this icon that looks like a brain, and it will take you to a website that shows you a list of latest AI tools for music creation. Suno AI is an incredible platform that not only creates catchy songs with lyrics, but also creates amazing instrumental pieces. On the flip side, there's Stable Audio, which can only create instrumental music and no vocals. We also have Music FX from Google, but it's unavailable in most countries. In this video, I'll demo both Suno AI and Stable Audio, so don't worry. First, let's check out Suno AI. Click on Make a Song, and a new tab will open. Click on Create, and it will ask you to create an account, or log in, if you already have an account. After you are logged in, you can write your song idea in the song description box. For example, I want a rock ballad song about never giving up in life. I enter that and click on Create. Wait for a few seconds and your song is ready. Click on the three dots and download the audio. Similarly, let's create a sample using Stable Audio. Click on the Try It Out for Free button and log in with your Google account. In the prompt box, you can enter your prompt here. Let's try something like electronic chillwave beats, retrofuturism, neon dreams. Honestly, you can write anything you want and click on Generate. Give it a few seconds and there's our sample. Click on the download button and our sample is ready. Now let's go back to RipX and import our song that we made using Suno AI. Click on the song and open. Select the stems that you want the AI to extract from the song, like voice, bass, drums, piano, guitar, whatever you need. Click on the Rip button and the AI will begin to extract all the selected stems from our song. You can see the rip being generated under the rips section on the left. It also shows the time remaining to finish the rip. After the rip is complete, you can expand the layers section, and you will see all the extracted stems separated and color-coded so that they can be identified individually. Here I have beige-colored notes for vocals and red-colored notes for piano. Similarly, we have layers for guitar, bass, percussion, and other. On each layer, we have the options to mute, solo, move, and record. You can click on each note and listen how it sounds.
Nice.
To make a backing track or a karaoke track, just click on Mute button on the voice layer, and you get a track without any vocals. With the voice layer set on mute, let's export our song by giving it a file name and selecting the file format as WAV, MIDI, MP3, or any other formats. I'll choose the WAV format. And we can also choose whether we want to export only selected time and specific notes, or whether we want to export the full rip. I want the output file to be a single file. Let's export this and see what we get. Let's go to the output folder where we have exported the song and see what we've got. Let's check it out. You can also go to the stems folder to see all the separated stems for voice, piano, etc. And if you want to work with only the vocals, click on the Solo button to mute all the other layers, and you can see only the voice notes of our vocals.
in the city lights.
To loop any section of the song, hover over this bar at the top, and you will see an arrow. Click and drag to the right until the end of the section. When you press play, this section will loop and play over and over.
In the city lights, in the city lights.
I want to edit this particular area, this one right here. I can click on individual note and see how it sounds. This right here, I want to use this. And I want to split this. Notice how it says I at the end. Let me zoom in a little. Yeah, this right here. I can use the split tool to split the note. So, I'll click on the split button and click on this part of the note, and it will cut the note into two. I can use the select option now, click on the unwanted part of the note, and delete it by pressing the delete button on the keyboard. We can also draw a box around the parts that we don't need. Just draw a box around these notes to select them and delete. Boom, gone. Let's see how it sounds after the cleanup.
In the city lights.
Some of these can be strings that the AI identified them as vocals. So instead of deleting them, you can just click on it and you can move them to any of the layers like Other. So just click on the note, hover over the layer, and click on this button here. Boom.
In the city lights.
You can also click and drag the note to extend it.
Lights. In the city lights.
To create a harmony, click on the harmony option under the pitch section on the right. If we drag the slider to the left, it gives us a high pitch harmony.
Lights.
Another way to do this is by selecting the note, Ctrl-C, to copy the note and Ctrl-V to paste the note. It creates a copy of the note. Now, click the duplicate note, and you can drag it up or down the scale. Up on the scale for higher pitch voice.
Lights.
And down on the scale for a lower pitch voice.
Lights.
To change the volume of any note, select the note and increase or decrease the level value.
Lights.
You can also do the stereo panning. If you drag this to the right, you can hear the note only in your right ear, and vice versa.
Lights.
You can also add a reverb.
Lights. In the city lights.
You can also add some delay.
City lights. In the city lights.
Check this out. You can change the vocals to any instrument in just a click. Just select the notes and click on the instrument you want to replace it with. This is extremely useful when the AI-generated notes don't sound very good. For example, here I have this AI-generated beat, but it has poor quality kicks. So I can just go into the drum kit section and add my own kicks. Now, check out this crazy tool. You can literally draw a note. Select the Draw tool and draw a note anywhere on the board. It will create a note of the selected instrument. I have this Mellotron Vox selected as my instrument. But there's so many instruments you can choose from. I personally had so much fun playing around with these. The higher you draw, the higher the pitch. Now let's select the acoustic guitar as my instrument and draw some notes. Let's add some kick. And how about some clap 808?
Here we go.
You can use the Draw Pitch tool to draw pitch bends and other flowing pitch effects. And if you have no clue what to do with any of these tools, you can just hover over the tool and you can see detailed instructions in the Help section on the bottom left. There's also a huge library of ready-made loops available in RipX for so many different genres of music. If you want to add it to your song, just click and drag it onto the board. RipX has so many more exciting features that you can play around with. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and make something awesome. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting stuff in the field of AI. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.